organization na sinet up nyo, yung death squad na iyon?
Yung death squad ko, ang death squad ko, ma'am, is, of course, it is organized. Hanggang dyan lang.
Ano po yung structure ng organization na iyon?
Against criminals.
Hindi po, yun yung task siguro na binigay nyo. Pero anong structure ng death squad niya iyon?
Structure against crime and criminals.
Ibig sabihin, ano po yung setup? At sino yung pitong yon na miyembro ng death squad
Fight
nyo?
crime.
No sir, yung pangalan nung sabi nyo, pitong tao na nasa death squad nyo.
Mukhang patay naman sila lahat, ma'am.
It's okay sir, ano pong mga pangalan nila?
You know, when I was mayor, it's about 43. I am now 73. For the life of me, I cannot remember the name.